and I'm from Mumbai. Regarding my experience with naturopathy, I would like to tell you, before joining the naturopathy course, I was struggling for the last 10 years with one or the another health issues, and it was a lifestyle disorder. However, after joining the naturopathy, I was able to reverse all my condition, and I got all the answers to my problem which I was not able to understand previously. And now recently during the high workshop, I am amazed with the kind of knowledge which Vishal sir shared with us. This workshop is an addition to what I have learned, and I am getting to know better day by day. I would definitely recommend this course to everyone who are concerned about their health, and I do recommend to people to join naturopathy course and get to know about themselves and their nature, the base nature of their body. And one message that I would like to give to the Go Nature team and Vishal is that I'm very thankful to the Go Nature team and Vishal sir especially for conducting such kind of workshops, and actually serving to humanity by letting people know about nature and naturopathy. Thank you.